It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with my question of the day 51st class today. And again, today also we will deal some of the best questions which you might have not seen previously, right? So let's solve some of the best questions in geometry and mensuration today. Yeah. Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you'll get 10% discount and you'll get guidance of all these subjects. Now why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, ESE and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when I choose iconic over plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach. How this coach will be helpful? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing, where you will get best solutions to overcome the difficulties. One more greatest advantage, personalized test analysis. This is what students need right now because you can learn from many sources, but the thing is application. Most of the students complain with this, that we have completed the entire syllabus but we are not able to apply the things, but we are not able to solve the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, and if those mistakes are rectified, your score will be boosted. One such greatest advantage. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. how much you have to invest. If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, finally to me, and you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 53,737. And for 12 months, it is 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Of course, these are normal prices, but up to July 29, we have extended our flat 20% discount, unblock 20. Now, when you use my code, you will be getting 20% discount. It's not 10%, right? And you will be beating the price hike. Overall, you are saving more than 30% there. Now closely observe there how much will be the 12 months price. It will be 31,412 only. You will be saving more than 3,000 there. Yes. So on Iconic also, as I said, whatever the things you get in plus, you will get in Iconic also, right? Now closely observe there. Now these are the prices. On these prices, you will be getting 20% flat discount, and you will be getting printed notes prepared by topmost educators in India. So when you use my code NLN10, so do try to subscribe. Those who are serious to join on plus. Yes. And yes, as I said, there are get your printed notes for your GATE preparation. This is valid for your existing plus and Iconic subscribers, right? So you will be getting flat 20% off when you use my code NLN. Trust me, these are the best notes prepared by the educators, right? It has gone through rigorous checks, right? So let's start the question there. I'll solve this question. Next question, I'll be giving you 2 minutes for you. Let's see how many can solve that question, right? So I'll be giving you 2 minutes to keep your pen on the paper, right? I'll solve this question. In a triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 12, PR is equal to 10, and QR is equal to 8. A semicircle with center O, which touches PQ and QR at S and T respectively, is drawn with the diameter lying on side PR of the triangle. What is the length of the OP? Now, we have solved a similar type of question in the previous class also here. I'll show you that 1 second. I mean, I'll draw the diagram, right? That's what I'm saying. Diagram. This is a triangle, it seems. I have drawn a semicircle. I'll take in blank. I drawn a semicircle which touches I'll be drawing like this. Observe this. This is a triangle. So with PR as diameter, it seems. Lying on the PR, up they go, right, is drawn with diameter lying on the PR. That doesn't mean PR is the diameter, right? That's the point there. PQ. Now see here, PQ, the semicircle touches PQ at a point called S. It touches PR at a point called T, it seems. And this is nothing but called your center of the circle, semicircle O. Now, what is the question asked? You are asked to find out the length of OP. This is the question asked. How to find out this? Let's find out. Now, chances I'll be writing down a point there. Now, from O to S, if I draw a line segment, this is nothing but called radius of the semicircle. From O to T, again, this is also radius of the semicircle. Radius of the semicircle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. Now PQ is nothing but tangent to the circle, right? Tangent perpendicularity theorem. How many of you identified this? This is tangent perpendicularity theorem. Same concept works out here also. Radius will make 90 degrees with the tangent perpendicularity theorem. Yes. So I will drop a line segment from O to Q. So closely observe there. I am observing two triangles. What are those two triangles? Observe there. Triangle OSP. Triangle OSP. And triangle OTQ. These two triangles are exactly congruent. How are you saying this congruent? Ab dekho, observe in triangle OTQ. OT is radius. In OSP, OS is radius. Both are of exactly same length. Both have a common side called OQ. Both are of exactly same length. And automatically both have 90 degrees. Automatically the third side must also be exactly same. Pythagorean triplet must be there. Na? If two sides are equal, third side must also be equal in a right angle triangle there. Yes. By this, what can I say? All the angles also must be equal. So this angle, if it is x, this will also be x. Right? If this is x, this must also be x. By this, what can I decide? My OQ is nothing but equal to angle bisector. Am I right or wrong? So which divides the angle at the vertex into two equal halves. This is called angle bisector. So I have decided that OQ is angle bisector. Means by internal angle bisector theorem, everybody know what is internal angle bisector theorem. PQ by QR is equal to PQ. PR length is given as 10 ma, PQ length is given as 12, QR length is given as 8. PQ by QR is nothing but equal to PO by OR. Okay. Now, PQ value is how much? 12. QR value is how much? 8. And we don't know about PO and OR. Let's write down this then. Okay, fine. So what is this ratio there? Is it 3:2? Yes, perfectly. So you closely observe there, 3 plus 2 is nothing but called 5 parts. This 5 parts is nothing but called PR value, and this PR value is nothing but equal to 10. So you are asked to find out 3 parts value. 3 parts value is OP. This is what the question asks. 3 parts value will be how much? Will it be 6? Yes. Then my OP value is nothing but equal to 6, and my OR value is nothing but equal to 4. Hope so. So this has to be in the ratio of 3:2. I hope so you got my point there. And my option number C is exactly true. So clear? So those who can draw the diagram perfectly, trust me, right? You can solve the question very, very easily, right? No need of any worries regarding this. So let's go for the next question, right? Let's see how many can solve this. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Inside a rectangle ABCD, a point E exists such that triangle ABE is an equilateral triangle, it seems. If the ratio of the areas of triangles ABE and CDE is 3:1, then find the ratio of side AB to side BC of the rectangle. A similar type of question was asked in CAT examination in 2018, I think so. So we have little bit rehashed it. I took it from one block. As I said there, 90% of the question can be done when you can represent the data into a diagram perfectly. So the recent trend is nobody is giving diagrams and geometry questions in CAT. We'll be taking a rectangle. Meanwhile, see anybody cracked this question there. Inside a rectangle A, B, C, D. Where is Bhavesh today? Anshita Gupta. They're my regular students. Manoj. No answers. Expected answers from you, yeah. A, B, C, D. What is the point given there? A point E exists. Inside the rectangle, point E exists, it seems. So I'll take down like this. So AB triangle is also given now. This is not exactly midpoint of this diagonals. I'm taking just a point there. This is E. and you closely observe there, ABE is a equilateral triangle and CDE ratio are given there, and you are asked to find out the ratio of sides AB to BC, it seems. Chalo, I'll take down like this. Now see, is this nothing but called height of the equilateral triangle, altitude? I'll extend this point also. Now is this nothing but called, so I'll take down some values here. I will take down BC length as A, I'll take down AB length as B. Now everybody know this is an equilateral triangle, it seems. So what I will do is, now see here, I'll take down BE length as X. I'll take down, what I will do, not BE length, now see, I'll take down this value as PQ. PE length as X, and EQ length will be how much? Will it be A minus X? And you closely observe there, this X value will be equal to, as this is equilateral triangle, this will be equal to root 3 by 2 into B, because AB is the base of this triangle. Root 3 by 2 into B. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So chalo. Again, so one data is given there. Area of triangles ABE. Triangle ABE and triangle CDE is nothing but given as how much? 3:1, it seems. Okay, fine. Well, write down the value there. Now everybody know area of triangle ABE is how much, ma? Half into your base value is B. Am I right or wrong? Your base value is how much? AB na? I'll write down like this first of all, then I'll write down. So height value is how much? P divided by area of triangle CD is half into base value is CD, height value is EQ. Okay, now everybody know EQ value will be how much? Or otherwise, right, I can write down like the CD value is how much? CD value is nothing but B. Now AB value is also B. Now these two get cancelled off. B gets cancelled off, half gets cancelled off. Now P by E value is nothing but X. EQ value will be A minus X, which is nothing but equal to 3 by 1. So finally, can I write down like this? A minus X divided by X is equal to 1 by 3. So to make my calculations little bit easy. Oh, sorry, 1:3 na? 3:1. Okay, fine. X by, so can I write down? Yes, I can write down like this. So I can write down A by X is equal to 4 by 3. 1. So this will become 1 by 3 plus 1, which will be equal to 4 by 3. Done. So what shall we find out? AB and BC side ratios. I'll take down one more slide here. We don't have enough space here. So chalo, what is the other thing that I have to do there? 4 by 3. I have done this. I'll do this. Now everybody know, closely observe there, X value is nothing but equal to root 3 by 2B. In the place of X, can I write down? Now see here, in the place of X, can I write down 3 by 4A? Yes, I can write down 3 by 4A. Hope so, I am clear, right? Is equal to root 3 by 2B. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Automatically, how much is A is to B ratio? A is to B is nothing but equal to 2 root 3 is to 3. Am I right or wrong? So finally, can I write down this as can I write down this as, did I miss out anything there? No, I think I didn't miss out anything there. 2 root 3 by 3 ma. So what will be the ratio here? See here, I'll write down here 2 root 3 by 3. I will rationalize this. So this will become 2 is to root 3. Am I right or wrong? 2 is to root 3. Now what is your A value? BC. So you are asked to AB is to BC. AB is to BC is nothing but equal to, BC is nothing but A. AB is nothing but B. So my question is root 3 is to 2. How many of you got the same answer there? Is my answer there? So I have done a little bit elaboratively to make sure that you understand this question perfectly. Root 3:2 is my answer there. So in this, what I have used? Basic properties of triangles. That's it. With this, I have solved the question there. Clear? So let's see how many can solve this question here. Now, so this is a mensuration based question, which I took it from one test series. So there is a little bit change in data here. A room is in the shape of a cube with each of its sides measuring 10 feet. It is 10 feet. Number is not given there. And the question asked is, what is not value of A? The question asked is value of A square by B square. See how many can solve this. So again, those who can draw the diagram can solve this question, right? Why students are not active this today, right? Please do try to hit the like button here so that I can reach to more number of audience. If you like the session. Lallu, is it live? This is live, Lallu. So I called your name. This is live. कुछ doubt था? The room is in the shape of a cube with each of its sides measuring 10 feet. An ant at one vertex crawls to diagonally opposite farthest vertex by taking the shortest possible route. The distance it covers is A. Okay. Meanwhile, a bee starting at the destination of the ant flies by the shortest route to the original location of the ant, covering a distance B in this process. What is the value of A square by B square is the question asked. As I said there, those who can draw the diagram can easily solve this question there. More seconds. Let's solve the question there. I'll draw a cube there. We can understand it. The point given here is this cube is 10 feet. Of course, ABC, all the sides will be same now. Let us suppose take ant is here. Now you closely observe there, ant cannot fly. Ant has to crawl on the surface of the cube only. Am I right or wrong? This is the farthest point. Let us suppose ant has to crawl like this. So how to do this? So see here, this is the front face of the cube. This is right hand side face of the cube, right? I'm taking down like this. Front, right. So I'll flip this right hand side like this and I'll keep parallel like this, right? Observe here. I'll take down the same thing there. Then you can understand how it is crawling. To find out how it is crawling, that's it. This is a cube. Now see here, I'm taking two faces of the cube like this. Now everybody know ant is here. Now ant has to crawl the farthest point, and this is the farthest point. I have flipped this. Now see here, shortest distance must always be hypotenuse distance. So I will be taking down like this. Now everybody know this is 10. This is 10. Now this is 10. So automatically this is the distance that you have to find out. Root of 10 plus 10, 20. So 20 means 400 plus 100. So it is nothing but how much? 10 root 5. Am I right or wrong? So if you want to find out exactly the root there, now this will be the path. This will be the ant path. Right? So I flipped it and opened it. Coming to the next one, I will find out the bee path. Now bee can fly. So bee can travel from this now B is here, it seems it will be coming back to the position where there is ant. B can fly happily, ma. So B travel direction will be like this. Yes or no? Now what will be this line? This is nothing but called body diagonal of the cube. Body diagonal of the cube is nothing but equal to L square plus B square plus H square. Of course in cube L, B, H are same. So 10 square plus 10 square plus 10 square. So totally this is nothing but equal to, is it 10 root 3? It is 10 root 3. Now what is the question asked? This is your B value and this is your A value. Now what is the question asked? A square by B square value, right? So this will be 5 by 3. Now option number B. Done. Done. Perfect, right? So see, in this entire scenario, those who can draw the diagram can make this question very, very easily, right? Let's come to the next one. Again, same type of question which I took from one blog here. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes for this question. Even half of the comment. Chalo idhar se, right? Ab other class jao, write down the codes there. Don't waste your time here. Don't disturb the regular students, okay? Cheese pad lo, bye. 35 seconds more. Three identical cones with base radius r are placed on their base so that each is touching the other two, it seems. The radius of the circle drawn through their vertices is the question asked. Okay. Hello, let's do this. So nobody got the answer there. So be active in the class. Try to do the questions. Don't worry about the answers, right? Focus on the procedure. Now there are three cones, it seems. I'll take down like this. Done. Now the point here is, now this is nothing but called center of this circle. So I'll take down like this is nothing but radius. This is nothing but radius. All these are nothing but radius of the given circles there. And draw like this. Now closely observe there, this entire line segment value will be, let us suppose if I take down the radius of the circle, everything is r only, right? So come to this will be 2r. Am I right or wrong? Now you are identifying, you are finding out a equilateral triangle, all the three sides. Now see here, what is the question asked means, you are asked to draw a circle around this vertices, it seems. I have to draw this. I'll draw this 1 second. The question asked. Okay. Now, is this nothing but called circumcircle? How many of you identified this? Is this nothing but called circumcircle? You have drawn a circle around a triangle, and that too, that is an equilateral triangle. I have given you the formula of circumradius, capital R. Circumradius is nothing but equal to, this is the formula, A into B into C. I have derived this in the previous class also, divided by 4 into area of the triangle. So everybody know A, B, C are nothing but same, 2R into 2R into small 2R. Am I right or wrong? Divided by 4 into area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. A square is nothing but 2R into 2R. Wrong? Yes. 2R gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled. So your capital R circumradius is nothing but equal to 2 into small r by root 3. Now see here, is your circumradius greater than or less than or equal to r? I can easily say by the equation it is larger than small r. And that's my answer there. I've drawn the diagram. Perfectly I got the answer there. Hope so I am clear regarding this. Done. So let's solve the next question, right? I'm expecting you guys to answer this question. We have done a similar type of question in the previous class itself, but we took it as circles. Now it is not circle, it is asked with a polygon. Of course, right? Cone, cube. Cube I'm taking it as polygon. 3D shape. Again, this entire class depends upon drawing the diagram perfectly. Those who can draw the diagram can easily solve the question there. One minute more. Find the edge of the cube that can be inscribed in a cone with base diameter 12 and height 8 centimeters. So cone dimensions are given. Of course, slant height is not given. There is no need to find out slant height, I think so. वो आज सभी सब बच्चों को किधर गए, right? 25 seconds more. What do you mean by edge of the cube? Side of the cube. Edge matlab. What is this, Suraj? ये क्या doubt है? Edge of the cube is nothing but side of the cube. Either length, breadth or height. All these things are edges only, na? So chalo, I'll draw this. Observe the things there. I'll take a cone. Now everybody know this is height of the cone. This is radius of the cone. Completely diameter of the cone there. Will be the diameter of the circle. Matlab no naman, hi naman after so long time. So see here I'll draw a cube there. So I have drawn a cube inside the cone there. So एक बार देखो, this is a cube that I have drawn there. So don't exactly ask me the shape this. So I'm trying to draw the things perfectly. This is a cube that I have drawn there. I will consider this as edge of the cube, okay? Suppose take this is edge of the cube. I'll take down this as A for my convenience. So I'll take down some values there. Capital A, B, C. Okay. Now observe here. Observe only the top surface of the cube there. top surface of the cube. Now closely observe there. Is this nothing but called a square? In this square, is this nothing but called diagonal of the square? Will you accept with me? I'll take down this as DE. Now what will be DE length? I took edge length as A. Now DE length will be root 2A. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. Root 2A. Yes, perfectly. And observe there, I am observing two triangles, and those two triangles are similar triangles. What are those similar triangles? So I will be taking down this value as Q, A, B, C, D, E, and F. I'll take down this as F. Right. So see here, observe triangle ABC. Observe triangle ADE. Both triangles are similar triangles because they have a common angle called A, and they are residing on the same base of similar triangles. I can consider them as similar triangles perfectly. Now in triangle ABC, what will be the height of the triangle? Is it AF? AF is the height of the triangle. Now what will be the height of the triangle ADE? So I'll take down this length A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'll take down this as O. Okay. Now is this AO? AO is nothing but height of this triangle divided by what will be the base there? BC. Now what will be the base of this triangle? Is it DE? Okay. You closely observe there. AF length is how much? 8. Now how much will be this length, ma? AO. AO length will be totally from 8. You have to remove edge of this cube. Of course, देखो बेटा, what I have done is I have taken down this length. I have clubbed this length here. So I am considering this as height of the, edge of the cube. So this will be 8 minus A. Perfectly. Now what will be AF length? AF length is given as automatically 8. Now how much is BC length? BC length is nothing but called 12. Okay, diameter of the cone is given as 12. Is equal to what is AO length? AO length is 8 minus A. Now how much is DE length? DE length is given as root 2A. Am I right or wrong? So this is 4 2s are 4 3s are. So 2 root 2A is equal to 24 minus 3A. Okay, so I can take down A as common, which will be 2 root 2 plus 3 is equal to 24. Now, A is nothing but called by edge of the cube. A value is nothing but equal to 2 root 2, 24 divided by what will be diameter of the circle, Suraj? Exactly, you are asking me. Observe this. So my procedure is perfectly right. 2 root 2 plus 3. This is my answer there. I want to find out the edge of the cube. Option number 3. Perfectly done, na? So a similar type of question, but little bit elaborative one. The same type of question. Now you have to cut down a cube from a cone, it seems. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Now try this. The radius of a cone is root 2 times the height of the cone. A cube of maximum possible volume is cut from the same cone. What is the ratio of the volume of the cone to the volume of the cube is the question asked. A little bit extension to the previous question only here. Same diagram, right? You can draw the same diagram and you can find out. So I'll do it in a different way. 25 seconds more. Suraj, any answer? Naman, any answer? Where is Bhavesh today? Pralay? No answer. Wow. Same pattern, ma. So I'll see, I'll take a cone. It's taking time. Nation per, I cannot give more than 2 minutes now. I'll take down a cone. Now this will be the radius of the cone. This will be the height of the cone. Okay. Now I have removed a cube from this cone, it seems. So see here. Chalo, I'll take down like this. So I'll take down some values there. This is A, B, C. Now, height of the radius of the cone R is equal to root 2 times the height of the cone, it seems. So this is the point. You closely observe there. I'll take down one more point. Now this is top surface of the cube, and I can take down this as diagonal of the cube. So for my convenience, I'll take down some values there. So I'll take down this as D. I'll take down this as D. I'll take down this as E. I'll take down this point as O. Now I'll take down the edge of the cube as A. So D value will be root 2A. Okay, so for my convenience, let us calculate in a separate way. I'll take down OE value here. OE value is nothing but root 2 by 2A. Upon rationalizing, this becomes A by root 2. I'll take down like this. So I'll take down this value as F. And you closely observe there. I'm finding out two triangles. Triangle AFC. Triangle AFC is similar to triangle AOE because both have a common angle called A and they are residing on the similar basis, AOE. Now, if this is A, what will be this one? This one will be, the total is height now. I have to write down this as H minus A. It's perfectly because I don't know the exact value there, not given in the question there. In AFC triangle, height of the triangle is, of course, these are perpendicular sides now. AF is the height there. Now, AO is the height for this. They are similar. Now, see here, FC is the base here. Now, OE is the base here. Fine. AF is nothing but H. Now, FC is nothing but R. Am I right or wrong? Yes. How much is AO? AO is nothing but equal to A by root 2. Sorry. AO is nothing but H minus A. H minus A divided by A by root 2. Now, can I write down this as, so I'll write down this as A by root 2 into H minus A. Now, R by H value will be how much, ma? R by H is nothing but root 2 by 1. Am I right or wrong? This one. By this, can I write down this as A by H minus A is nothing but equal to 2 divided by 1? Yes, perfectly. And finally, can I write down this as A is equal to 2H minus 2A? Now, H will become 3A by 2. H will become 3A by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now, R will become, right? R is equal to root 2 into 3A by 2. I'll convert entire things into A value. So finally, this will become 3A by root 2. Let us calculate the value there. Now, you are asked to find out volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is nothing but, everybody know, 1 by 3 pi r square H. By 3 pi r square H. So 1 by 3 into pi into r value is nothing but how much? 3a by root 2. 3a by root 2 whole square. What is your h value? H value is 3a by 2. So calculate this entire things. What will become there? 3 gets cancelled. So this will become 3 square 9 a square a cube by 4 pi. Am I right or wrong? What will be your volume of the cube? Volume of the cube is nothing but equal to a cube. And you are asked to find out the ratios. Right? So finally, what will be the thing there? 9 a cube will get cancelled. 9 by 4 pi will be left over, and this is the ratio there. 9 by 4 is nothing but how much here? 2.25 pi. Is there any option with 2.25 pi? Yes, and the option number 1 is there. Ratios, right? So I'll write down the ratio value here. 9a cube by 4 pi divided by cube volume is nothing but a cube. Upon cancelling all those things, 9 by 4 pi, and this is nothing but 2.25 pi. Hope so I am clear regarding this. Of course, time taking one, but basic procedural based question only, right? Let's see how many can solve the next one. Yeah, this is our combat question. Of course, this question was asked in many exams. This question is available in many blocks. This question was asked in our combats, right? In our quiz series also, this question is there. An easy one. So not more than 30 seconds, Suraj, right now. You should not take not more than 30 seconds for this question. If a cube of maximum possible volume is cut off from a, so in the previous case, from a core, we have removed a cube. Now we are removing a cube from a sphere. Of solid sphere of diameter d, it seems, then the volume of remaining waste material of the sphere would be equal to, is the question asked. So on a 2D dimension phase, I'll take down this as a sphere beta. So see here, I will be taking down this as cube that I should remove from this sphere. Everybody know what is the 1 second. I'm making it wide. Now see here, what will be this? You are seeing a 3D figure, not a 2D figure, right? This is called body diagonal. This is called body diagonal. Or otherwise, this is called diameter of the sphere. Am I right or wrong? Body diagonal of a cube or diameter of the sphere. Chalo, we'll solve right now. Now, first of all, let's find out the volume of the cube. This is what? Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere formula is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here not r beta, diameter is nothing but equal to 2r. So r is equal to d by 2. So I have to take down this as 4 by 3 pi d cube by 8. Am I right or wrong? So finally this will become pi d cube by 6. Okay, fine. Now volume of a cube is nothing but equal to a cube. Now this a value is nothing but equal to how much here? A value. Anybody? A is nothing but equal to, see here. Of course, body diagonal value is nothing, diameter is nothing but equal to diameter na? Is equal to diameter of the sphere. So body diagonal is nothing but a root 3. A root 3 is equal to d. So my a value is nothing but equal to d by root 3. Hope so I am clear. This volume of the cube. So this will be d cube by 3. A cube. Did I missed out anything there? Volume of the cube. Of course, so 3 cube na, sorry ma, this will be 3 root 3. Will be 3 root 3. So I have to remove from this value. What should I remove there? I can remove d cube. I can remove 3. So from this sphere, so pi by 6 will be, pi by 2 will be left over. Minus 1 by root 3 will be left over. Is there any option which satisfies this? Yes, there is an option called D to satisfy this, right? 1 by root 3. The answer there. Normal easy question, right? Everybody can solve it very, very easily. Chalo, let's solve next question. This was exactly a question rehashed of previous year CAT question here. Let's see how many can solve this. And we have solved a similar type of question in our previous class also. So hit the like button here, those who are in the class, so that I can reach to more number of audience, very less likes. What happened? Those are more. Two chords AB and CD intersect each other at P. The lengths of AP, PB and CP are 4, 15 and 10 respectively. If the length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle to CD is 6 centimeters, what is the radius of the circle is the question asked. Seconds more. Fifteen seconds more. Answer. Oh, an easy question. Na? We have solved the same type of question in the previous class. So in my previous classes can easily answer this. Two chords AB and CD intersect each other at P. So I'll take down like this. These are two chords. AB chord. CP chord, right? And they intersect at a point called P, it seems. And these values are given, ma. AP is given as 4. PB is given as 15. Any other point? CP is given as 10. Okay, now any other point given there? If the length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle, now I will take down this as center of the circle, and you have dropped a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the CD, it seems. So this is the one there. I have dropped a perpendicular onto the CD there, and this perpendicular length is nothing but called 6. Okay. Now what is the radius of the circle? Now, before going that, we have a property. AB and CD are nothing but called secants because they are meeting at 2 points on the circumference of the circle. By secant property, as these secants are meeting inside a circle, I can write down this property AP into PB is equal to CP into DP. Now AP value is nothing but given as how much? 4 it seems. PB value I don't know, I have to find out this. Is equal to CP is nothing but equal to 15. So CP is 10, sorry. CP is 10. Oh, PB value is given here. AP is 4, PB is 15, CP is 10. Now see, PB value is given there. So this is nothing but called 4 into 15. Now DP value we don't know, DP value I don't know. DP value I have to find out here. So DP value is nothing but equal to 6. Yes or no? If DP value is equal to 6, did I miss down anything there? Now see, this is not 15 beta. Done. Now see here, if this is 16, this is 6, sorry. So pura CD value is how much? CD value is nothing but equal to 16. Now I have dropped a perpendicular. Now this perpendicular will divide the chord into 2 equal halves. Everybody know this will be 8. Now this will be 8. Right or wrong? Now what is the question? As radius of the circle it seems. So see here, from here to here, can I take down this as radius of the circle? Yes. Now is this nothing but called a Pythagorean triplet? Perfectly, it is a Pythagorean triplet. So 6 square, 6 square perpendicular side. Now this is not 18 here, this is not 8 here. We doing there. Pura it is 16 na. Of course this is 8. Now this is where are we missing down there? CP is 10. This is 6, 16. We are missing down something here. We are missing down something. AP value is 4, PB value is 15. Okay, CP value is 10. How much is DP value? Are we missing down anything there? Are we missing down any calculations there? DP is 6 only. Pura 16. This will be 8. And this has to be 8. It's complete thing. This is only 10 now. So we are missing down something here. We are missing down something. Are we missing down something? We done any calculative error? Let's check there. If the length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle to CD is 6 centimeter, okay. AP value is 4. PB value is 15. Okay. CP value is 10 it seems. Okay. Damn surely this has to be 6. So my CD value will be equal to 16. If I drop a perpendicular here, this has to be divided into equal halves. Equal halves means 16 should be 8 and 8. Now this is 10 now. How can it be equal halves? Are we missing out anything there? Any calculation? Please let me know. We've solved this question here. 1 second, let me check down the solution there. I've done the solution here. The length of AP is 4. Okay. PB is 15. Yeah, that's the point, right? Yes. I got the thing here. I got the thing. Let's check here. Now see here. 2CD, okay, fine. 2CD matlab, this is nothing but called radius. This is nothing, I'll write down in black ink. This is nothing but called radius. This is nothing but called radius. Okay, perfectly fine. Now, PD value is nothing but equal to 6. Okay, chalo. I'll do like this. Just give me 1 second. I'll do like this. We'll get the answer. Don't worry about that. So I'll do like this. So to have a little bit more clarity, I'll take down this as AB. I'll take down this as CD. Okay. Now this is A. This is P. So this is the intersecting point. This is B. Now I'll take down this as D, and I'll take down this as C. So now I will be getting AP value is 4, PB value is 15, and CP value is 10. Now I have dropped a perpendicular from the center of the circle. I'll take down this as O. I have dropped a perpendicular from the center of the circle here. It will be this thing. Now this is completely 16 because DP is 6. Now I'll take down 6 there. Now this is 6 matlab. Now closely observe. Now I will get the value. Now we have done correctly only, but we have missed out this. Now see here, this value will be 8, and this is 4, this is 2, and this will be 2. Now I got the answer perfectly. Done. Now I got the answer perfectly. Now see here, you are asked to find out radius of the circle. Now this is the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle, and you closely observe that this value is 6, this value is 8, right? And this is 10. So jao bhai, Lakshya Vora, happily sleep. Who is asking to wait here? Don't try to deem me in the class there, okay? You are nothing in front of me. OD value is 10. Perfectly done. Exactly. Right? Little bit of confusion there. Now, I'm expecting you guys to answer this question, right? 2 minutes. So I'll take down 2 more questions, then I'll end it. It's an easy question. We can make it very, very fast. I'm Savora. I know when to stop the class. If you are feeling sleepy, you can leave immediately, right? Nobody is stopping you. Happily sleep in the class itself. Then your career also will be sleeping. One minute more. It's an easy question here. That's an easy question. Within Mehta, Ansal. The figure given above is a rectangle of dimensions 6 centimeter into 5 centimeter. The ratio of shaded to unshaded region is the question asked. Nobody. The question now. Chalo, right. So this is a rectangle. I'll take down this length as 6, this length as 5. And you closely observe in the diagram itself, it is given there. This part is 1 matlab. This part will also be 1. By this I can decide this. This part will be how much here? Is it 4? Yes, it is 4. Now I will be finding out the area of this triangle. Nasir, what will be this length? Nasir, combinedly this length will be 5 because this is equal to this side. Now this will be 5 by 2. This will be 5 by 2. Yes, perfectly. So see here, I will be calculating this unshaded area, triangle area half into base value is 4, height value is 5 by 2, and again we will be getting two such triangles like this. So down and up, this is first triangle, this is second triangle. I'll keep the dot in blue. So 2 gets cancelled. So 5 4s are 20 by 2. So it is 10 here. Okay, fine. Now let's find out the areas of this. Now closely observe there. I'll take down like this. Now this will be the height of this triangle. This will be the height of this triangle. Exactly midpoint. This will be 3. And closely observe there. This is 1 and this is 1. Now this value will be how much here? 3 now. So I will find out the area of this triangle. Half into your base value is 3 and your height value is 3. And we have such two triangles like this. Is this nothing but called 9? Now, am I right or wrong? So add all this unshaded area. Unshaded area is nothing but equal to 19. Now, what will be the total area of the rectangle? Total area of the rectangle is 30. Now, see here, unshaded, non-shaded region is 19. So shaded region will be how much? 30 minus 19, 11. So my question is, ratio of shaded to non-shaded region, is it 11 is to 19? Perfect, it is 11 is to 19. Exactly done now. Last question of this series there. Yes, I want you guys to answer this question here. One such beautiful question which was asked in 2014, of course, similar type of question was asked, not exactly this. Those who can draw the diagram can solve this question. Simple basic property will be helpful to solve this question. Seconds more. A circle with center O is inscribed in a kite ABCD such that it touches all the four sides. Okay, if AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 15 and AO is equal to 8, find AC is the question asked. So I'll draw a kite for you and later on let's see if we can make a circle there. The kite. Right. So I'll be taking down a circle here. So don't mind the shape of this circle. My best to draw this. See, can make a yeah. No, yeah. Not making a very good triangle circle here. So I'll draw with my hand only, right? So because it has to touch all the four sides now. I'll take down a circle like this. Okay. Now, these are the length, right? A, B, B, C, B. This will be the center of the circle. Now observe the property carefully. You are asked to find out AC length here. So chalo, I'll do like this. I'll take down this line segment like this. You are asked to find out AC length. I'll take down this as center of the circle. Closely observe there. With the center of the circle, I am drawing a radius of the circle. This is also radius of the circle. Now we have tangent perpendicularity theorem. Radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent there. By tangent perpendicularity theorem, this also form the same thing. AB is a tangent to the circle. So 90 degrees with the tangent there. So I will be dropping down a line segment from B to O. Observe here. Now you closely observe there. I am observing two triangles. So PQ. So observe triangle BPO. BPO. Observe triangle PQO. Are these congruent triangles? Exactly, they are congruent triangles. Mandeko, right? Because see here, OQ is radius, OP is radius. Two sides are of exact same length, and we have 90 degrees, and there is a common side. Two sides are common. One angle is 90 degrees. Automatically, remaining also will be the same there. Am I right or wrong? By this, I can say one point there. Yeah. Now, what will be my BO? BO is nothing but called angle bisector, because the angles will also be same. Na? If they are congruent triangles, automatically angle bisector, right? Because angles will also be same. By this, what can I say? My angles at this point will be exactly equal. Congruent triangles. By this, what can I say? Observe triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle bisector BO is there. So by internal angle bisector theorem, can I write down like this? AB internal angle bisector theorem. I'll write down the theorem name also. Internal angle bisector theorem. AB by BC is nothing but equal to AO by OC. Okay. Now AB is how much? AB is nothing but given as 10. BC is how much? 15. Now AO is nothing but given as 8. So 10 by 15. AB is 10, BC is 15. And AO is 8. How much is OC? Calculate this. So this is 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So OC value is nothing but equal to 12. OC value is nothing but equal to 12. And what is the question asked? Is it right? 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 4s are. So 12. So AC value is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 20? It is 20. The answer there. So I have drawn the diagram and I've used the same basic property to solve the question. So let us continue in the next class here. We will continue with the next questions in the tomorrow's 10:30 a.m. class, right? So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. Yes, it will be helpful. Yes, it will be helpful, right? Do watch all my sessions there. Whatever the topic name, type it with my name. You can watch all those sessions. I don't know your name, CSIRnet. This will be helpful. So, and the price per plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10. And this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, these are regular prices, but we are offering you a flat 20% discount on top 20. So it is not 10%. You will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. And this offer is valid up to July 29th. Of course, these are the iconic prices. On this iconic prices also, you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. Yes. So those who are aiming at only test series, do try to subscribe to this GATE Lite subscription. Again, so I'm forwarding my notes every day on community feature. I'm interacting with you in the community feature. Do try to ask your doubts in this community feature with me, right? I'll give all the updates regarding my classes here. And yes, Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. So if you have any doubt, click the picture of that, upload in doubts and solutions. Select your preferred language, get the video solution within minutes there. Right? And do try to join my special classes. So there is huge crowd there. My strategy classes are blockbuster, right? Do try to attend there. The interaction level will be 10x more than here, right? So you can talk with me, right, about your difficulties facing. We can have best solutions regarding that, right? And please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram group and hit the bell icon to get the updates. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.